आई एम खुश। चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी इंटरप्शन। The topic for our today's presentation is impact of memes on modern culture on how does it help us to communicate in our daily life। आप लोग का मीम नॉलेज चेक करने के लिए हम लोग का एक रैपिड फायर राउंड भी है, चेक करते हैं हम। पहले तो अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं मीम क्या होता है। Memes represent our cultural ideas। हम लोग जिस तरह का मीम लाइक the Instagram reels we like represent ourselves, what kind of reels and posts we like। It is in the form of images, text and videos। Now we shall do a small rapid fire round and check करते हैं आप लोग का मीम नॉलेज क्या है। हितेश, इस मीम का मतलब बता भाई।
छोटी बच्ची हो गया।
जब गोवा ट्रिप जाना होता तो पापा क्या बोलते? राघव बताओ।
अरे भाई ये बोल
तो मेरे से पूरा कनेक्शन है, पढ़ाई
यही अच्छा है।
ठीक है।
Yeah, it's very nice.
बहुत अच्छा है use किया।
Kavya Modi and I was coming here to tell you about meme as a new communication tool. In today's world, meme is emerging as a new communication tool. It helps us in rapid communication, transcending language barrier, simplifying complex idea. So how can meme help in rapid communication? Nowadays we know that something we want to share in this world, but meme is the best way to do it. It helps in building real-time connections in a quicker span of time. How it helps in transcending language barrier? Simplicity. Meme helps in converting the complex language into very simplified form and very funny way, so that we can conclude it very efficiently. Simplifying complex idea. Meme often help us to simplifying the ideas into as I say in the linguistic barrier, it is helping accessible and emerging is meant to deeper understanding of what is happening around the societal. It also helps to address a serious societal issue that is happening around this world.
अरे बहन जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है। So good morning everyone, I am Nakul Kedia and I am going to present you the topic about the positive and negative outcomes of meme. Please next slide please. Yes, positive effects of meme marketing. We know memes are a part of our internet culture and it is being our daily source of entertainment. So it is a kind of entertainment and humor source for us. And also it is a coping mechanism for us. In this negative world we are always scrolling reels and memes to get happy and to get instant gratification and pleasures. Also, it is also a social connection between brands like Zomato, Blinkit and Swiggy. They often fight on the internet with through memes like दूध मांगोगे तो दूध देंगे, खीर मांगोगे तो खीर देंगे. And but if anything has so many pros, it also has so many cons too. So there also have negative consequences of meme marketing. First of all is miscommunication and misinformation. Like in India-Pakistan war, we know that many information was fake and not circulated properly, and people were having misinformation about the situations. Second is privacy and security issues. Many people use others' videos and photos without their prior permission, which can create a threat to their security. And also cyberbullying and insensitivity. Many memes have stereotypical jokes and targeting many groups of people, promoting racism between the people, which can affect influence the minds of the people, which can be in our daily part of the culture. Thank you for this.
Myself Krishna Goenka, and I will discuss about the content creation of memes, that how the memes are created and what should we keep in our mind while creating memes. Next slide please. So first is engagement with the audience. The meme creators should create memes which engages with the audience. The audience knows about the topic and understands what the meme is all about. And then is trend awareness. All the meme creators wants to be famous and wants to grow. They can also make money, which is the next point. So trend awareness, it means that like in India-Pakistan war memes were going viral. So all of the people were engaged in making India-Pakistan war. And if like IPL, at the time of IPL, all people try to create memes on IPL players and try to go viral to get more publicity. Further, Mansi will.
Good afternoon, myself Mansi. 2 points have been covered by Krishna. Now I'm going to cover 2 more points. Which one is monetization opportunities. Nowadays, content creators, meme makers are making a lot of money by sponsorship, partnership and selling merchandise. कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, आज लोग memes बनाते हैं, पैसे कमाते हैं. Fourth one is creative storytelling. Meme making encourages fun and it helps us to create a story and share humor as well.
Good evening everyone, I am Nana Kalguria and I am going to explain content impact of memes in war. We all have seen recent India-Pakistan war and what happened. Instead of in grounds, memes fight are going there. So we all have seen that Pakistan's population is trying to create memes on their itself, on their government, on their population, and even in the army. And the Pakistan's army also became the meme material for India, because we all know that they use the X videos on which are on the X, and they use as the official their statements. So this is the impact. But after that, do we know the impact of memes in both the countries? So this influence our public opinion. We as the public of both the countries are influenced by the memes too much that we are in a decision that Pakistan's army are like this or like that, and we are so much in the age of digital propaganda, because we know the Pakistan, that how they are into the spreading propaganda. They escalate the hatred against India. So these all are the things which are going to influence our mind.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Keshav Purohit. Now I am here to conclude our presentation. Power of memes. Memes have transformed how we communicate, market and even build careers. Responsibility matters. While fun, memes should be created and consumed mindfully to avoid harmful effects. I want to end the presentation by a final thought that with great virality comes great responsibility. Can anyone tell which meme is this? Anyone? Any Marvel fans?
The Spider-Man.
Now, there's a picture. So, sir, wo Thank you so much, guys. We hope we were able to entertain you.